All right, that's right. We are back. A little. All right, here we go. This is break 880, 880, 880 jumbo, big old jumbos. Real quick disclaimer: no purchase or payment is necessary to enter the eBay sweepstakes. Please check the description of our listing for said sweepstakes regulations and all that fun stuff. Yeah. Empty box. I just got attacked by the box. That means it's good. It's good stuff coming. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Call out your teams. Call out your players. As also, please check out our new website. New and improved. WaxZoneSports.com. All card ship. There's a Yamamata Mutu. What? Why are you laughing? Oh, so you gotta be true, man. Ooh, how about a Ryan Burroughs, 106 to 499 for the White Sox. First Bowman Sox autograph. This is certainly going to be more fun, isn't it? Marte. Gotta love the jumbos. Nimala. Right? Yeah. Right. Don't mind me. I go very too fast because there's so many freaking cards in jumbo. I do. But don't worry, guys and gals. I will stop on everything that needs to be stopped. I think. So feel free to stop me if you're like, whoa, 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 stop the clock. Ooh, nice little Derniche Valdez, 289 or 399. A little lava, whatever you want to call it. A little 50-cent wood. Holiday. Don't mind me, I'm just in my own little world. My own little world, ladies and gentlemen.
Crown is right after this, you guys, if you're just tuning in. Still waiting on a few payments, so please make sure you put those in.
Yeah, put it in. Make your payments. You know what I mean. Dirty ass mind. What's wrong with you? Press pay now. This isn't Popeye. You can't eat today and pay me on Tuesday for your... Yeah. You don't remember that cartoon? Yeah. He always wanted hamburgers. He goes, I'll gladly pay you on Tuesday. Speaking of Tuesday. What's up, brother? Ooh. Michael Arroyo. We'll call this the pomegranate. 87 of 299. Pomegranate, Seattle Mariners, 87 of 299. Max Clark, AI, 50-cent Wilkins. Kyle Teal, Luke Adams. Oh, shit. You said, oh, shit. It's getting real. I'm going to have to help you. Oh, I'll help you, okay? I'll do 6-7 at least. Andy Rodriguez win. I've watched Band of Brothers. I know what's up. Barrett can't from the Angels. First Bowman auto. And a Roccaforte for Casey Lunaire. Yeah, and then Jerry Jones. Just like that. Take that. Listen, man, if I don't make my own fun, what's the point of doing this? This is my fun for the weekend. I mean, I don't know. When did this stop being fun? Nobody gave me the note. Nobody gave me the memo. There was no internal memo that said...
Nothing in the suggestion box?
Yeah, there's nothing in the internal memo that said, hey, enough with the fun. It's been 4 years. Enough with the bullshit. We're no longer a startup. I have shareholders. Jackson Holiday. There's a nice Ellie De La Cruz, Rising Inferno. Jefferson Cuero. Diego. I sometimes don't know why my brain works like that. But it does. Jason Dominguez. Lawler. Jackson Churio. This guy. Xavier. Pre, Ryan, Aiden, and Cole. Alright. No one's yelling at me, so something must be going right. Okay, Kyle. Let's continue. Ooh, that's a cool one. It's like a Aqua Jacob Wilson, Oakland A's, 43 of 125, top 100. There you go. That's pretty cool. That would go on my green wall. And then we have Davidson Gutierrez, green shimmer. That'd go on my wall too. 96 of 125 for the New York Mets, Davidson Gutierrez.
Did you catch that number here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Tyler Soderstrom. Hey, Dylan Cruz. You didn't think I'd catch it, but I did. I assume that's the only guy you guys care about, or am I wrong? Come on. Tell Uncle Breaker. Who else? Who else? Ooh, Ben Williamson, purple, 138 to 250. First Bowman auto for Seattle Mariners. There you go, Ben Williamson. That's a nice hit. That's fantastic. 50-cent Eldridge. Zach Gavin, Jay Reading. They're probably like, who the fuck is that guy? I don't know. I certainly talked him up, though. You guys probably are Googling right now going, damn, was he good? Nobody knows.
Ben W for Ben W. Oh, look at that.
Look at that. See, Ben? Is he any good? Is he a good prospect? I seriously have no idea about these prospects. I don't follow baseball nearly as much as every other sport. I follow my Cubs, sorta. Henry Davis. There's a 50-cent Miller. I'm just trying to figure out, make sure I don't miss any really good guys. No one's really telling me anything. They're like, do your job. What kind of shit is this? And a lunar Kemp Elderman for the Miami Marlins. Walker. What was the woo woo woo?
Reach it.
Oh, really?
Slippery little sucker.
It's funny because
you can tell this is jumbo.
Yeah, it's jumbo, all right.
If you guys are waiting for crowns, you should be doing that in about
I'm trying here.
15 minutes or so. We are still waiting for a few payments, so please make sure you guys do that.
Yeah, we're not moving until you pay. Isn't that our slogan? Hey, nice Dylan Cruz AI. There's a Aiden Miller. Raising Inferno. Sounds like he should be somebody good, but I don't know. Blake Mitchell. Isaiah Ryan. Jose, Carson, Cespedes, George. There's so many of these cards. So
All cards ship.
they do, but they're not all going to be top loaded because obviously they wouldn't. They couldn't. The package would be like 60 pounds.
They couldn't.
You just couldn't. They could not be all top loader. Only the, like this one will obviously, any numbered. 169 of 499. Teal. Christian Encarnacion Strand for the Cincinnati Reds. There's a Jordan Lawler. Is my mic on? Braden Taylor.
It is.
Okay, Carlos Silva. Elkins. People are probably watching sports and just have us on mute. Nobody cares. You didn't bring your game today, man.
Sorry, brother. Long week, man.
Yeah. I know. I had the same days as you did. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah. All the same days you had, my friend. Same time zone and everything. Although you did travel. Maybe you were in a different time zone for a little bit. But not actually, no, you weren't.
I really wasn't. It was just the drive, man. Kicked my ass.
The drive? I thought you loved driving.
I do, but I don't. Not like that.
Not alone. You should have called me. You could have played like I Spy or some shit. That would have been fun if I was not in the car. It would be like, how the hell could you possibly know what I see?
Is this for me too? What is this? Is this base?
What is let me see. Hold on.
No, that's
No. This is base.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
That is more stuff.
More stuff.
She's like, no more.
Just you know. Listen, man, we drove for 5 hours.
Oh, what's this Wii stuff? You went with somebody?
No, not like together.
Oh yeah, there's more story. Now I'm listening.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Colt Emerson, Seattle Mariners, 93 of 150. Marcelo Mayer, 37 and 99, autographed Gladiator. Get pens back then? 37 of 99, Gladiator, Marcelo Mayer. Antonio Baptiste, first Bowman Lunar for the Mets. I mean, that was just 3 in a row hits. Were you alone or wink once?
yes, it was.
I almost got Greg in trouble.
Did you?
You weren't listening? Never.
No, I didn't hear that part.
Never.
Oh, she was around? Tell me.
Caminero, yeah. What's the Jose Rodriguez moral of the story? Don't tell me shit. Nah. I kind of suspected, so I kind of played it low key, and then he immediately interjected with, "I'm sitting over here." I'm like, "Okay, got it."
I'm sitting over here.
Low key. We need like secret words.
Words?
Yes.
What
Yeah.
do you like?
Hey, here's a Max 50-cent Max Clark. Drew Thorpe. Felix, Joe Mean, Wiener, Churio, Skenes, Cooper, Pretty. Oh my God. Becky, look at her. Here's a Kyle Teal for the Boston Red Sox purple. First Bowman, 165 to 250. Kyle Teal. I don't know who thought that the mustache was a good thing to come back to, but I don't think you guys are pulling it off. James Wood, Jordan Lawler. I really don't think that you guys thought that through. I mean, some of these.
We're trying.
I mean, you're trying to?
No.
Yeah, what the fuck is we trying? Yeah.
Not me.
Dude, that would be hilarious. If I ever saw you with a mustache. Oh, that would be funny. How about we both do it once?
No.
No? No. I think your wife likes facial hair.
She does.
So go with the stash, bro. Like, go handlebar. Paul Skinners. There's a Dylan Cruz again. Dude, I thought it was literally the same exact person. The way they were standing, I was like, can we just hit a big ass first Bowman rookie, like a 1 of 1? Ooh, no, what do we want? What is that thing called again? Anime. Let's get the anime. There's a nice Ellie. 50 Cent Isaac, Gabriel Gonzalez. Are people paying yet? Do I need to send them my favorite message of all? I'd love to send you your stuff. I really would. Nothing would please me more. Face.
You laughing?
I am. I should call Mo down here and be like, you gotta help this guy. This guy's drowning over here. That's not my fault. You said that was the last week. You said Bowman's coming. Like, oh boy. Afraid I don't know. I don't know.
You said, oh boy.
People like this product, I guess. I mean, when you get like those nice, what do you call it, numbered rookies or the first Bowman autos or whatever, they're pretty cool. They're pretty cool. And I guess you're saying it's just the superfractors of the.
From what I read, if I read correctly, yes.
That's gonna be super rare.
Yeah.
I'm sure someone's probably already pulled 1 or 2 or 3. Which kind of sucks because that they get pulled so early. But hey, whatever. The laws of averages. Court Kings coming up very soon.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Crown Royale coming up very soon. It's one of those things with purple and orange and Court Kings, and just go with it, guys. You should know me by now. If you don't know me by now.
Is that a song?
No, I'm just making up words. Yes. Jared Serna. Ooh, Sernik. New York Yankees. That's a cool auto. First Bowman, New York Yankees, Serna. 50 Cent Basalo. You will never, ever, ever know me. Ooh.
You ever play this stuff back?
No, why? Never. That'd be the worst. That'd be the dumbest thing ever. Because next week I'd be crickets. So don't ever encourage me to listen back to these things. You can certainly do like a best of if you want. I may. Drew Jones. You know what I mean? If you did something like that, I may be inclined to watch it just to laugh. But nah, it's too cringy. It's way too cringy. I mean, look at that. Since Ben said anything, it's been dead silence. You gotta figure everyone's got us on mute. Ooh. We have a Luis Robert, 151 to 299, pomegranate. Jackson Holiday, 50 Cent, Wyatt Langford. Amelia Wagner. We're gonna be sleeping till tomorrow. There is a Samad Taylor for the Kansas City Royals, 368 to 499 autograph. Second baseman for. He literally just signed it STD. He did. STD. Somebody tell that man that's probably not wise. Bryce, John. We finally got one of these more silvery Dylan Cruz. It only took 5,000 packs. This is base. I assume none of those are.
No.
Oh, yeah. Well, recap time. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 autos, which we do. Here's some numbers. We have Michael Arroyo out of 299 for Seattle. We have Derniche Valdez for the Cubs. It's like a Ray Wave out of 399. We did have this nice teal green Jacob Wilson Oakland A's top 100 insert, 43 of 125. We had a green shimmer for the Mets of Daverson Gutierrez out of 125. We had an Encarnacion strand for Cincinnati Reds out of 499 teal. We had this nice blue, the Orca blue. I forgot what I called this. Tuna fish blue. 93 out of 150, Colt Emerson for Seattle. We had a purple plum Kyle Teal, 165 out of 250 for Boston Red Sox. We had them again, the pomegranate, 151 out of 299, Luis Roberto Jr. for White Sox. And our autographs were Ryan Burroughs out of 499, first Bowman for the Sox. Barrett Kent for the Angels. A Ben Williamson for Ben W. A purple out of 250. A Marcelo Meyer, Gladiator of the Diamond out of 99 auto. That was for Red Sox. Jared Serna, New York Yankees, first Bowman auto. And our only STD of the night, 368 of 499 for Kansas City. There you go. All right, what are these? Oh, these were just lunars, but yeah. All right, guys and gals, we're right back with basketball.
Thanks, everyone.